Hello everyone, here I will be showing you a hopefully permanent registry fix to fixing download speed issues for Steam. My girlfriend had this issue on her HP Victus laptop, and this registry fix has fixed it so far. For the time being, this registry fix is basically just going to Task Manager, searching the Steam executable, right-clicking, going to details, right-clicking on steam.exe, and setting priority. This is only temporary right here, and you would have to do it every time you start up your computer. But this registry fix is permanent and will be persistent. And if you export the registry file for this fix, you can easily reapply it if a Windows update or something that Microsoft does undoes the fix. So the first thing you will do is hit the Windows key and R and search Reg Edit for Registry Edit. You will hit yes if you have UAC enabled. You will then go to HKey _ local _ machine. You will then go to software. You will then go to Microsoft. You will then go to Windows NT. Windows NT. Let's see if I could count letters properly. I could find that quick. Windows NT. Then you will select current version. You will select image file execution options. Image file execution options. You will right-click. You will select new and E, and you will name it steam.exe and hit enter. You will then right-click on that key you just created, go to new and key and title it PERF, OPTIONS, perf options, performance options. Then you will right-click on perf options, go to new, go to dword 32-bit value. You will name that CPU ERIORITY CLASS CPU priority class. And for high priority, you would set the value to 3. On my girlfriend's computer, I set it to 4, which is real time, and it didn't seem to cause any issues. She does not really do much on her computer besides gaming, so real time worked fine. And on my laptop, I'll probably keep this setting enabled anyway, as it is a very capable processor on this laptop. So you'll hit OK, and then you can go to File, Export, and name it whatever you would prefer, like Steam Priority Download Fix, and then save wherever. And then you will then, if you need, move it to another folder or OneDrive or wherever you need it backed up. And if there is a Windows update that Microsoft releases or anything else they might do that reverses this fix, you will just click on that registry edit file, click yes. It'll ask you if you are sure to do this, as it could possibly cause instability or other issues. You will hit yes, and it will apply it to where we just initially applied the fix. And after that, it's always a good idea to restart your computer just to make sure everything is fresh. And then if your downloads, let's say, are going only as high as maybe 10, 15 megabytes per second when your internet could easily do 50, 100 or more, this should definitely fix that. If you have any hangs or stutters or anything from changing it to real time, move it back down to 3 for high priority, and then you should be fine. If anyone has any issues or it doesn't work, I could possibly find other possible fixes, but I would say this is the easiest. And if anyone does not feel comfortable doing this, I can save this registry file to a trusted online repo, most likely GitHub, and then it'll be free for anyone to download. So with that, hopefully this is helpful, and we'll catch you guys later.